I love concreting, yep. I've got 2 concrete tattoos and concrete hoodies that say I love concrete, and my missus would tell you that, yeah, I love concrete more than most things. Which is a bit sad, but...
It was made for us to make our job easier because we'd been doing it the way I'd been doing it, the old timber way, compared to a few ways that slabs had been getting done.
We were doing still a high quality slab, but we were using all timber, pegs, nails and braces. And the labour content in that was excessive, and more so on the strip process. So we did a couple of big jobs, and I think Emma just, you know, for a small company, we still pumped out a lot of high quality work, and running ourselves in the ground, I suppose the frustration grew to a point where it was like, there's got to be a better way to do it.
I think I bought 4 lengths of steel, and I was able to make 12 frames out in the backyard of a good mate of mine. And we put it together one night, and by then it was dark, and a few beers later we were sort of belting it in the ground and screwing the board up, and was just amazed on how strong it was just in the mate's backyard in just soft topsoil.
So when H designed it specifically for us, so we needed it to do conventional raft slabs, we needed to do box driveways if we had to, it can do stairs, we needed it to stack on top of each other so it can do 1.2, 1.5 walls. We basically needed to go, okay, if we're going ahead with a new system and we're throwing everything else out, then it needs to do everything. We're not going to have, you know, our old system on there plus the new system. We're in the mud every day and we're dealing with it, and you know, that's what we do. So if it was no good, I would have scrapped it. With MSB Form, you know, we're setting up in half the time, stripping in half the time. The QA on our slabs like far outweigh anything that I've ever seen before, and we did a lot of research before we went to market with this, and I want to create an industry standard again where it should be. And for so long now, the people have been dropping the ball and been accepting average. Yeah, we believe that it should be, you know, brought back to where it needs to be.
It's basically allowed the business to expand, given us more opportunity. People have seen the product, seen the quality of the slabs that we're pouring, and we're requested to do jobs. We're requested to use the orange frames or the MSB Form. So it's opened up a whole lot of opportunities. So
I've said it for a long time since it first came out, and it's probably a little bit ambitious at the start, but I said any concrete in 5 years that doesn't have a set is going to get left behind.